Hello, student first. We're out doing some hiking, checking out some waterfalls. Hunter's getting a little tired there. And this is Lower Bonita Falls. And that's the big drop. There's several smaller falls down below it. Of course, we're in Southern California, so you can see the graffiti. But that's Bonita Falls. It's a little bit north of Rancho Cucamonga in the Lytle Creek area. Cool. Okay, we got a little bit closer to the falls. Hunter found a little perch rock to hang out on. Yep. Yeah, it's Bonita Falls. Not sure how far the drop is, but it's pretty cool. Get over here a little bit. See a little pool down at the bottom. See a cool little canyon type area. And then it runs down the hill. Say hi, Hunter. Say hi. Beautiful. Well, I didn't really intend to take another video, but it's kind of a cool spot under the falls. This Hunter found another good rock to sit on. And here's the falls. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's all misty and cool down here. Yeah, Hunter. He's still a goofball. Go figure. There's a little pool at the bottom of the falls. Very pretty. Alright, later.